You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this South Korean girl group, music group. We'll be looking at how to say more names from K-pop too. Mamamoo. Mamamoo is how you say it. Mamamoo. Stay tuned because we're going to be looking at how to say members' names too. Yes, here they are. More videos for you to learn more about Mamamoo. Thank you for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.